Let's discuss property finance. People approach property investment with varying financial backgrounds, from those with minimal funds to those with substantial savings. Your approach to property investment should differ based on your financial situation. For individuals with significant savings, such as £30,000 or more, the focus isn't typically on immediate cash flow, but rather on long-term capital growth. Earning substantial passive income through property alone is challenging unless you're investing millions. Property investment is more about having your money work for you, not replacing your income. With interest rates currently quite high, it's an opportune time to invest, anticipating future increases in property values and rent demand. For those with £30,000 in savings or more, vanilla boring buy-to-let properties are a safe option to park your money. However, if you have more funds like £60,000 or £100,000, you could consider buying an HMO for slightly higher cash flow. Regardless, remember that property investment is more about long-term gains than immediate cash returns. If you're looking to actively grow your portfolio beyond your initial investment, consider options like bridging loans, private loans, or joint ventures. Bridging loans should be short-term, used to bridge the gap between purchasing and securing long-term finance. Private loans from individuals can offer similar flexibility. Joint ventures involve partnering with someone who has the funds, while you find the investment and then you manage the property, splitting the profits equally. For those with less capital, like under £30,000 for example, you'll need to think creatively or actively engage in property business, such as deal sourcing or rent to rent. Remember, the property industry often overhypes the ease of achieving wealth. It requires time, dedication, and sometimes initial education or guidance. If you're time rich but capital poor, consider building a personal brand to attract potential investors or partners. Share your property journey and goals openly to attract interest and opportunities. Remember, property investment isn't a quick path to riches. It requires careful planning, understanding the market, and sometimes guidance from experienced professionals. If you're new to property investment, continue to educate yourself through channels like this one. You should also follow our Instagram and our TikTok, where we have daily updates and short form content based around property education. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and hit the like if you found this information helpful. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.